Okay, so you are once again welcome to my channel. Today we'll be studying on quadratic equations. Please, before we start, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so what is an equation? An equation is a statement that two quantities are equal, and to solve an equation means to find the value which is unknown. An equation is a statement that two quantities are equal, and to solve an equation means to find the value which is unknown. So what is quadratic equation? Is the one in which the highest power of the unknown quantity is what? 2. So an example is 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So such expression is known as quadratic equation. Okay, so the methods for solving quadratic equation, we have 4 methods, and the first one is by factorization. Second one is by completing the square. Third one is by using the quadratic formula, and then the fourth one is by the graphical method. So I am going to be solving examples on each of these methods. So I am going to start with the factorization method. Okay, so let's solve example 1 under the factorization method. Okay, so we have x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. X squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So what we do first is we find the factors of x squared, and the factors of x squared is x times x, x times x. So we place them in the bracket like this: x, then x, meaning whatever that is in this bracket is multiplying whatever that is in this bracket. Okay, so first we find the factors of x squared, which is x times x, then we place it in a bracket. Okay, now we find the factors of negative 8, and the factors of negative 8 are 8 and negative 1, 8 and negative 8 and 1, negative 4 and 2, 4 and negative 2. Among these factors of negative 8, we select one that when we put in the brackets, the product of the outer term plus the product of the inner term should give us 2x, and the factors are 4 and negative 2, 4 and negative 2. So we place plus 4 and then negative 2 in the bracket. So x squared plus 2x minus 8 is now equal to x plus 4 in a bracket, x minus 2 in a bracket. Okay, so we equate x plus 4 in a bracket by x minus 2 also in a bracket. We equate it to what? 0. So now x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0 is now x plus 4 in a bracket multiplying x minus 2 also in a bracket, which is equal to 0. I hope you are following it. Okay, so now we equate x plus 4 to 0 and then solve for x. Then we equate x minus 2 to 0. Then we solve for x. So we have x plus 4 equals 0. And then we solve for x. So x is going to be negative 4. Then we have x minus 2 also equals 0. Then we solve for x. So x is equal to 2. Okay, so the roots of the quadratic equation are x is equal to negative 4 and x is equal to 2. Thank you so much for watching.